So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another weekly vlog or another vlog. So you might be wondering why I have our makeup, and I just pulled down my hair because it was a little bit tight. I went to take my pictures for my driver's license renewal because if you know that it expires on your birthday, and my birthday is coming up, so it's about that time that I need to renew it. So I went and I took the picture. I think the picture came out well. I think it's one of my better passport pictures. That's how it looks. Just show Sona. She's like, yes,
Seriously, they look like police.
but I like it. So yeah, that's why I have on makeup right now. I'm about to edit a video, but what I'm telling you guys is that I'm putting up my Christmas tree this week. It's November 12th, and more to necessarily November 12th. You know what? You know what? Right, it's November 12th, and I've decided that I'm not waiting, because in previous years the only reason why I've waited or we've waited is because of video purposes. Like, you try to show everybody putting this up together, and you don't want to have it in the background of your earlier videos too soon, so you wait until it's an acceptable time to put it up. But I'm gonna be putting it up this week, and I'm going to be doing a little DIY project for the door because I want it to be extra cute. I was very out of it this year, I'm not gonna lie. Even before Hurricane Melissa came, I wasn't really feeling Christmas, and I'm not somebody that forces my energy in at all. If I'm not feeling it, and I'm just not feeling it, and that's like the explanation. I'm trying not to talk too much, by the way. So I wasn't really feeling it, but now I am, despite everybody saying, oh, we shouldn't celebrate Christmas this year, yada yada yada. In the midst of tragedy, there's always something to give thanks for, and we have life, which is this. I've always said, from your breed there's always hope. From your breathing there's always hope. So I was very down and out about decorating and celebrating Christmas and the whole shebang. I mean, obviously it won't be the same as previous years, but I'm excited about decorating, so I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the process of me doing a little DIY project, and then me decorating the tree and so forth, and we'll see where this vlog lands us, and I'll just put it up. We're just going with the flow here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start the DIY tomorrow. I was gonna start tonight, but realistically it not go work out because I don't have the supplies that I need. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna start it tomorrow, and then we just go from there. It's currently Wednesday. Hopefully I can have the tree up by Sunday, so we'll see how it turns out, and I'll keep you guys posted throughout the decoration journey. Quick check-in. It is 12:26 p.m. I just got to the tax office, and I'm trying to see how long it's going to take for me to get through. Everybody's gonna be like,
Shami, why did you go to the tax office in the afternoon?
hack. If you go to the bank or the tax office at 6:30, you are in the rush of people that think they're beating the rush by going early. When you go in the afternoon, the place is empty because everybody beat the rush in the morning and get through and kind of them yard. Life hacks with Shami. So I'm going to see how long it's going to take for me to get through, and if I can get through today, because one thing with me and government places, I can never get through in a one go. Them have to send me around the world before me can come back, so fingers crossed. It's 1:41 and I am out. Honestly, I don't want nobody. No, I'm not coming out right now. Honestly, I could have been out a little bit quicker, but the cashier told me foolishness and have me sit down there waiting. on my number to be called when all I had to do was just go up to the people. But yeah, let's call it like an hour. Rena, come. Rena? So big, fat, juicy drop, man. Yeah. So I have to come back. What me say with government place? You can't get what you want done in a one day now. Me have to come back December after the license expired. But then give me the license back and send me for drive it and receipt and I'll be fine. But now I'm gonna go to a bookstore to get the supplies to make the Christmas. Actually no, I'm gonna go Fontana to see if them have what I'm looking for, and I'm gonna buy a ribbon in the Christmas decor. Like a ribbon is the only thing I'm buying. I swear I'm not spending any money on Christmas decor this year. Why this lady stop right here? I'm not spending any money on Christmas decor this year, so I'm gonna show you guys how in there is set up and stuff, and see if I get the supplies that I need to make my little door. Sometimes I really and truly do hate public spaces because why the bathroom empty, and as I walk going to the bathroom, somebody walk come in there right behind me, and then me I try pee, and then anxiety of knowing that the person is standing out there waiting at me is making me not able to pee, and then she start playing loud music on her phone. Like, my girl, you know what, take my phone and stone ya? Why? Just why? But oh crap, but I'm showing them my chat. This is how it's looking, and I was saying to mama the other day, every time I choose to, like every time I say other color, then I go use the color start trend. So this year I decided I'm just doing red and gold, and I'm seeing red and gold everywhere. Last year I decided it was red and green. Saw red and green everywhere. The year before, green and gold, saw green and gold everywhere. But right now all I'm looking for is a ribbon, as I told you. Should I do red? I did not show you guys the cutout that I'm making. So, which is this. So I'm thinking red ribbons then, since that's the $1,250 for what? I don't like this one. It's a, oh, this is cute. I think this is it. And then I want to put a bow on it, like red. I think red would be the best option. I know we have a bow, so I'm not going to buy any. This is, and then mommy is trying to convince me to make the cutout I should use cartridge paper instead of chipboard. If you know what chipboard is, like a thin version of cardboard. But in any case, I don't have that here. They have like this styrofoam board thing, because she's saying to eliminate the painting, but I think it will look more seamless with the paint and not cartridge paper. I think I'm going to get the foam board when I see them with and paint it and stick it on the door. I think that's what I'm going to do. This is the board, and it's red. This is what I'm going with. Yeah, so what I say about the board is, mommy wants me to buy cartridge paper and cut it out in the little sections. Some would need red, green, and red, green, and white cartridge paper. And me said to her, I said, no, that not make no sense. Me just get the chipboard, cut out the outline, and paint it. She said that I'm more work. But what I want to understand is, I am not as crafty as she and Swan is. Swan and mommy, them will put up a project. Them will sit down and them will make, like, when we go primary school, them used to help out people with making their projects, like making the air, making the solar system, like them good for them something that I, on the other hand, I'm not. I'm just trying a thing. You understand? So she tell me if you go get cartridge paper and cut out different sections and piece it up and paste it. Hey, but just I got draw, take one pencil and draw it on this as I cannot draw. Draw it on this as best as possible. Paint it, cut it out, and I made that. That does sound more reasonable. That sound like more like me. Me can't do all of them something she tell me. I'm a basic school teacher too. So she but me want to do this for my one. It's a little independent project. $899 for a piece, everyone. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now and I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna do some more work and then I'm gonna get started on it. I'm excited for it. Hope it turns out good because I did not buy 2 boards. I bought 1 board. Let's see. Or I think I should have, because what I was gonna do, you know, was draw it on the white side and just paint it, but then I buy a red one. So maybe I could have do it on, no, but he's green. Alright, it don't make no sense. We're just gonna stick with the initial plan. So I'll see you guys when I'm not even get for use the bathroom and so the girl upset me, see man, cause why you coming about? Like, let me know if I'm the only one. If I'm in a public restroom. Like if me going on one big one and other people in there are pee is fine. But that one that I went to, it was only 1 stall and you have the option to stand up outside of the stall and wait. And for now she just stand up out there and wait. I could do it. Let me know if I'm the only one like that. Alright guys, so it's hours later and I finally decided that I'm going to start working on this thing. Now as I said before, I cannot draw. I'm not good at arts and crafts, but I'm gonna try a thing. I'm gonna do the outline and if it don't come out how I imagined it to, I'm going to carry it to my mother and let her do it because at the end of the day she'll benefit from it as well. So I did find one outline from Pinterest and that may I work with. The camera not really okay. So this is what I'm gonna try. Guys, this is a sketch. It doesn't look too bad if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna show mommy and then I'm gonna outline it with like the slim Sharpie marker them and then get to painting so it can dry for tomorrow. Wish me did a record a while ago. I show mommy and she was like, yeah, could I do that? I'm gonna get the paint. I decided against going around it with the Sharpie because I feel like that's gonna make it look too comic-y. Like they will know it comic-y, but me don't want it like have the outline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it and let it dry. Yeah. I just find my empty bucket in the kitchen, my empty lamp just back, my full it up with water. So that's, you know, for, you know, yeah. Remember when me that tell on the last Christmas, if you were here for Dunmas last year, you would remember. But remember when I was saying to you guys, I have a toxic trait where I feel like, say, whenever I do something for the first time, it's supposed to just come out good, and I feel like I'm a pro at anything, even though I never do it yet. This is why. And that is why the cookie them never come out good in the same breath. So we're gonna get started. I'm kinda nervous. I'm gonna mess it up. This is the finished product. Of course, the two of them are going to be separated to give space for what would be the body, so it's gonna look a little bit different. On the door, hopefully it's big enough, fingers crossed, because I'm not doing this over. It wasn't hard and I didn't feel labored doing it, but I don't want to do it over, that's for sure. yeah, I'm really proud of it. I called Swan and showed her on the phone just now, and she was like, "How you buy that?" Like asking where I bought the sketch. I was like, "Baby, no, I drew this and I'm painting it, and this is how it looks." There are some little imperfections, like I go outside of the lines a little bit, but it doesn't matter because I'm cutting it off. Anyways, so yeah, now that that's done, I'm going to clean the living room tomorrow to prep it for Christmas tree decorations. As I say, we're not buying nothing, it's just solely stuff that we have from over the years that we're using this year. So red and gold it's a red and gold Christmas, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow when I am cleaning. All right guys, so it's Saturday. I was supposed to start decorating from yesterday, Friday. That was the initial plan. Remember I told you guys that, but yesterday I got caught up with work, and then I started having an allergic reaction. Whenever I want to come on camera like that, I need to go do an allergy test. That's what I really need to do. I need to go to the doctor and do the allergy test to see what's really going on. But yeah, I cut out the thing. So this is the hand and this is the foot. So now I'm going to get started on cleaning, but I'm not gonna carry on through the process of that because it's gonna take me a little minute. So I'm just gonna show you guys a before and after. So this is what it's looking like before, and as I say, you're gonna see the after in 3, 2. Was Miss Olivia? Now that the curtains are up, I feel like I could go ahead and put up the tree. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm setting it up right up here. So I'm not mind the bag of myself over there, so it's the decoration. And it was so hard to find the stuff. Like me, I wonder, well, like every year we buy up this one bag or something, and when it's time to reuse them, we can never find them. So I have to dig down the whole place, resulting in all of this mess you're seeing right here. But we're gonna get started now. It's like after 7 I go to 8 or after 8. I don't know which one. I'm not check the time no more. I just put up the paper lights by the window, so it's the tree and then the door. So cue the montage. Alright, so something I've learned over the years is always put on the paper light first, because if you put it on last, it's like a get headache. So I'm gonna just put on the star already, because the star has lights in it and it's going to be connected. The star have lights in it and it connected to the pepper lights. So I'm just put on that first. I know what. Listening attentively. You know what I'm gonna do? I get one big arrow when I edit and put Grinch on it and paint it for you. You know, if Mama did live alone, she would have put up no Christmas tree though. Tell the truth.
Why you believe that?
Tell the truth where God love. If you did live alone, you'd have put up Christmas
tree. Little girl, me have to do them something. We don't come have life easy. You start to make decoration. Yeah, I make.
Some of them make, just mix it.
Make. You not go buy none at store. Make. Use paper, crayon and color. Make.
Alright, anyways.
Okay. Talk to me.
Because she just had look excuse. No, that wasn't the question.
No, she asked
me.
I did live alone. Of course I would. I might not put it up as early as you, but I would. If it is one day before Christmas, I would. And
that she used to do. What you mean you put up Christmas tree on Christmas Eve? Like, but yeah.
That's what I used to do.
Back to the tree. So we're going to get started now. I'm not going to tell a lie. The red decoration do have Russian. It Russian, but we're going to make it work. You Yeah, well, then get started.
He's making a list, checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming out. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good, for goodness sake.
When they're ready for the grand reveal, I feel like when they're ready for the reveal. When they're ready for the grand reveal, tell me if they're ready. They're ready, mommy? They're ready? In 3, 2, 1. Here is Christmas 2025. That has been mommy all day.
All day. What we doing all day?
Yeah,
What are we doing all day?
yeah,
What we doing all day?
sit down.
No? Don't say that.
But me not talk when she do her Saturday. Me not talk when the dance start.
You know
Bless you.
every year the customer about that something there. When you guys were little, I used to, you know, see it.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Be careful, be careful.
You like it?
Where you off to?
One party in Philadelphia.
Tell people them I.
Huh?
Tell me camera I. The first ball of the season.
Why don't
You give love on Christmas Day. Wow! It's a Christmas miracle!
You're not loading up on me, I'll wipe off the door and then something, you're not. You don't help that same way. Help that. Me, help.
Abadi.
But nobody help, I tell me, I tell her you have to load up that part, that's...
No, she literally get up and say, I'm tell her something she never do it without willing.
No.
Shh. Let me talk a
I'm
story.
tired.
Hey, let me talk.
Let me talk.
Let me help ya. Can't explain your ear, so I never help that she say. So she not do it for the love, she do it for the lights.
Do it for the...
Hey.
Come on, string.
No stick them on there, just stick them somewhere.
What you say?
Just catch them.
Let's stick them.
Yeah.
Let's stick them.
Just catch them. The lady redeem herself. I can't even be mad at it. Yeah, look for me through your ear. But do it for the love when I do it for the likes. But it's coming on. And that's the Christmas tree, guys. You might be wondering what I do down there. So remember, say I so and did buy that. So all when it not match, it's I always got it because it's a part. It's she's here through that ornament. Because she picked it out and she bought it for her tree. And we have one for her tree.
Also,
So,
Santa too.
yeah. Yeah, Santa, I forgot it because of Santa.
Because of Santa.
Santa, don't mind the appearance. It was a stressful afternoon. But yeah, this is how we're looking. The foot on the door give me a little teensy problem. I don't know why I don't want to stick down. The hand is perfect, but the foot give me a little problem. But check out, I'm gonna get it together, hopefully. But yeah, we're done with the Christmas tree and the door decor. So yeah, I just need to clean up the little table right now and go and throw myself into the shower and call it a night. So, huh? Look in there, the hat them. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be Sunday. Back to where we started, but it is Sunday, and I'm just not going to edit the portion of the video where I was decorating, but I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I know it came a lot earlier than expected, and probably would never expect me to do it this year because I did say I'm not doing Dan Mass this year. But as I said, we just go with the flow, just vibes. Now put a title upon it, we just you know, we just move. So with that being said, if there are any specific like holiday type content, Christmas type content that you guys would like to see, you can let me know down in the comments, and I will try as best as possible to facilitate your requests. So yeah, just let me know what you guys would like to see throughout the rest of November into December. And somebody had chat me. Alright, I'm gonna tell you now, when we get that somebody had chat me something there from, it's not just when you cough, it's when you choke and you spit and it causes you to cough. That's when them say somebody had chat to you. Okay? But yeah. Yeah, that's it for this installment of our little Christmas, whatever it is. And hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next. I'm not giving no. I'll joke. Me see you next week. And eventually, me put the boy next like next week Monday. So you can look out for that. So yeah. Bye. Have a good week. Stay safe and be grateful and thank God and pray. Bye.